All our programs so far have just gone top to bottom, do the lines in order, and then they finish. We're going to have to do a little bit more sophisticated program flow than that, starting with if statements. So I'm going to do a simple example of the user typing in a password. So we'll get the user to type in a password. Password, PWD is the short, the abbreviation I'm going to use for password. And we're going to do that as an input, same as we've seen before. What is the password? Okay. And we are going to do an if statement to check if they typed in the correct password. And I'm just going to hard code it, is the way we put it. So if PWD equals, note the double equals, come back to that. And what's a super secure password? ABC123. So I'm saying if PWD equals ABC123, that's the correct password. We always finish an if line with a colon, and if you do that and then you hit enter, it knows to do the indentation, the one tab that you see there. That's super important. That actually has meaning. We're just going to do a print statement, print correct password, and I think what I'll do is I'll just leave a note to self. I'm going to do a comment, so hashtag continue from here. That's not actually a line that the program is going to do. It's just a note to myself. Comments are important. So if password equals ABC123, we do this line. And then we don't need to, we often can do an else. And an else always finishes with a colon as well. And I hit enter. And I'm going to say print incorrect password. And again, another note to self, a comment, quit the program. Yep. So let's just run this and see what happens. So what is the password? I'm just going to move the keyboard. Incorrect password, it says. Let's run it again. This time, ABC123. Correct password. Cool. So this if else is a very common construction when we're writing programs. It's our obvious way to ask a question.